Hey everybody, how's it going? Wow, what a great day. So, are we ready for today? Are you having a super great Monday? I love Mondays. Yes, I do. So, gratitude versus fear. We're talking about this because of the catastrophe and the crisis and the chaos that we're going through right now in the world. So, when you have gratitude versus fear, which is where we're at in a lot of platforms and a lot of thinking and a lot of feelings, there's a lot of gratitude versus fear. I'm hearing that people are grateful for what they have, but in the same aspect, they are afraid of what is happening. And that is a given. You don't have to hide it. Oh, thank you. You don't have to hide it and just, gratitude is there when you feel it and when you want to express it. But fear is also it's there. It's just there. So what I've been thinking and what I've been contemplating more and more over these past few weeks is I'm always grateful for what I have. Everyone who follows me knows that I am grateful for what I have every day. I'm grateful for the little things in my life. I'm grateful for the big things in my life. I'm grateful I get to work from home. I'm grateful I have an income. I'm grateful that the time I put into my lifestyle, into my work, pays off for me. I'm grateful that I get to get paid for being me, right? So gratitude versus fear. What exactly will fear do for us in the long run? I mean, really, think about it. When you're afraid and you focus on what you're afraid of, then what happens? I'm asking you, my friends, what say you? I love this. I came up with this morning in my meditation. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? I come up with so much that I need to speak with you guys about every morning when I meditate. That's how I get my topic. That's how I know what I need to talk about, is through my meditation. So when you think of fear, you think of everything you're afraid of. You think of everything that you're afraid of happening. If something falls apart, or if for some reason your appliances go out, or if some reason, the kids get sick, or if some reason they close school and you don't know what you're going to do with the little monsters. I love them so much. This is so much fun to have kids running around. Back in the day, it was. So, not to mention, when you focus on fear, you're going to bring more of it to you. And if you're focused on the fear that's going around the world, I'm going to say it is the world, and this chaos that we are living in right now, just know that this too shall pass. This too shall pass. This is not going to stay around forever. It is not going to be around for the long term. It is here, it'll go away, and then it'll come back. It's just the way nature is. And do you know that this COVID-19 virus was prophesized in 1980? Yeah, by a woman named Susan, and I don't have her last name. I didn't get that part. But she prophesied this exact virus in 1980. So nobody took her for serious. Nobody, said anything, and she prophesied this virus was going to be worldwide, and it was going to be man-made, created, which it was. And that is a given fact that it was created in China by the Chinese people, Chinese scientists. They already admitted that they created this virus we're not going to go into that right now, but they admitted they did it, and they sent it out, and hello, virus. So, but do not fear. Not everybody. Some people have died, which they have ascended and they have gone to heaven or wherever they want to go. And that is sad when we lose our loved ones. Don't think I'm not sympathetic to that. But if you fear that it's going to happen, you're going to not just lower your immune system, but you're going to draw more of that to you by the energy of fear. Fear is a strong energy, guys. Fear is a very strong emotion. And the more you're afraid of something, the more likely you are to get it, right? Granted, I work from home. I don't really have to go out into the outside very much unless I want to. I like to, but right now we are not allowed to. And the seminar I was planning is not going to be able to happen right now, so I may have to put it off longer. So keep in tune to that, because that will happen eventually. It's going to be a mastermind like we were talking about here a little while ago. So when you bring the positive and the happy and the gratitude to you, isn't that a wonderful feeling? Isn't that an energy that just enlightens you? And a lot of people, as we know, are housebound, and we have to stay home. We can't go to work. We can't be in large numbers of people. We have to be in 6 people or less. I believe last I heard, I could be wrong on that one too, but last I heard it was 6 people or less. So if you are working from home, or if you're starting to say, hey, maybe I should have done this, why did I put this off? You had your reasons, right? Everyone has the reasons for what we do. Everyone has the reasons for what we don't do. So if you're in tune and you are looking at doing that, and you want to do this, and you want to work from home, and you don't want this to happen again where you're in this situation where you don't have an income because of not being able to go out to the job, you might want to take a look at what we have here, because not only is it profitable, not only is it lucrative, but how many people will you help? I'm looking to help a good 100 people in the next month. 100 people. Usually I only do 10 at a time because I want to give them my full attention. And of course I will always give my full attention, but this time I'm going to go 100 people over the next couple months. Let's go next 3 months. Let's just round it out. I like even numbers. I just have a problem with even numbers. I like odd numbers. So if you're looking to do that and you're not sure what to do, I do have a link up here in the top that is going to show you how to get leads in the next 24 to 48 hours and signups into your business. If you don't have your business, then hey, you might want to look into that too. We can help you, and it's a given. If you're wanting to see exactly the group that I'm in with the community that I'm doing, if you will send me a yes, I want to see, or I want in, I will send you a tag. I will tag you. I will have to friend you first, and I will tag you into the group. This is a closed group, guys. This is a closed group. I will tag you into the group, and you can look around and see, and I'll tag you into the units that we have going over there. And you can see what kind of training, and this is just a sample. But we have so much going on in this group, and there's so many top earners in there. We're always giving and sharing tips and strategies, and we do this all the time. So if you want to see exactly, or actually it's going to be a huge part of it, but it's not going to be the exact until you get into the back office. That's where the magic is. So if you want to see that, then just tag me or just message me, yes, I want to see, or yes, I want in. Either way, I will tag you into the group, and I will have to friend you first if we're not already friends. And it's free. Come in, take a look, and see what's going on. Okay? But fear versus gratitude, I always tend to go for gratitude first, because we're given things for a reason. We're giving opportunities for reasons. We're giving systems and strategies and different things that come to us for reasons. Whether we take action on those reasons or not is all up to us each individually. So, but have gratitude over fear. Fear will lower your immune system. It will just make you irritable and make you grumpy. And if you're around the family, you don't want to be grumpy. You want to be happy. Right? Of course you do. Okay. So again, there is an offer for you up here to get involved and get going. And I will tag you into our community, into the group. When you say, yes, I want in, or yes, I want to see, it's a group. It's a closed group, but I'll let you in. Okay? Okay, guys. Super blessed day, and I have gratitude for everything. I have gratitude that you're here with me today. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.